Hi all, welcome to the Linehan family channel. So we did not step out anywhere because the girls have just started school and they've got full day school. It's difficult to do the Wednesday video. So today we thought we'll give you a little tour of what we're doing in our kitchen at home. So Shakila, that's my house help, been with us for 13 years, is gonna make something for the girls. It's called shirvoya. I'm sure you all know what shirvoya is. It's made of rice. और क्या है शकीला? Rice flour, coconut and jaggery, fresh coconut and jaggery. So come, we'll show you what we're doing. Shirvoya, that's how I pronounce it, but let's ask the expert how she makes it. So come, we'll show you what we're doing. So that's rice flour, and she's putting some salt. Rice flour. 1 second, right? Grated coconut, and that's jaggery. It's okay, but the jaggery is from Mapsa market. It's the brown jaggery.
Oh, it's so hot.
It's hot. What is hot?
Can I put the water?
It's not Play-Doh, Mirai. Can I put the water?
I want to put the
You want to taste jaggery, Mirai? Come fast, put jaggery in your mouth. Come. Come, Mirai. So Shakila just said that this is usually made during jatras. There's a jatra in Veram. Veram mein na? That's the time they make this. But we just felt like eating today, so I told her to make it for the girls and us. Let's see how it comes out. I'm going to show it to you.
First, we need baking soda and food coloring. Then we make it in little balls and put food coloring in it. We will have 2 food coloring, so that's okay. Then we need to put it in the oven for 2 minutes. Then you roll it. Then it will become Edway Play-Doh.
Ari, how do you say hello in Hindi?
Namaste.
How?
Namaste.
Namaste. You learned that in school today? Well done, Mirai. Namaste to you. Rice balls are boiled. And Shakila's removing one at a time.
Can I do it?
Yeah, stand.
You have to stand, Mirai.
Wait, 1 second.
At the stand?
Yeah, and then hold. Come. Then do it.
So it'll fall from here now. You do it, but 1 second. Let Auntie Shakila show you how to do it. Look, it's falling over there. Naya, look fast. Okay, yeah, it is already cooked, so you can eat them with jaggery, coconut, or wo kidhar hai? Coconut juice. This is coconut juice. Look at these two. It's coconut juice. That's coconut, and that's jaggery. So how you eat it is,
Can I put some jaggery?
yeah, try some jaggery, Mirai.
It's so soft.
So you put some here. I'll make you a nice bite. So put some here. That's it. Then you put some. Shakila,
No,
pehla
I don't
coconut.
want
Oh,
that.
mama. Pehla coconut dalte ki pehla.
I don't want it.
Okay. And that's.
It's really good.
And then you eat coconut milk on it. So that's the way you eat it. Look. You don't want this one? You want plain one? Okay, let mama eat it then. I think I wanted it more than them. दूंगी ऐसे यहाँ आपको जानबूझ के. Okay. Shakila, पहला क्या जाएगा? Jaggery. पहला first is jaggery. Coconut. Then coconut, grated coconut. और फिर and then coconut milk. अच्छा, Shakila says if you want coconut milk, you put coconut milk. बस और कैसा हाथ से ही खाने का ना? फिर चम्मच से you mix it nicely. My mom loves this, huh? So when my mom comes, I always get this. You get this in Delfino, in the Porvorim Delfino. I buy it from there for her. But ये टाइम मम्मी आएगी बनाएंगे, हाँ शकीला? That's a spoonful now. बहुत अच्छा बना. Oh, that's really nice. That's lovely tea time snack, huh? In the evening.
Now I want to make my
Shakila just said that we can make this instead of rice. You can also make it of sweet potato. कौन सा वाला sweet potato, Shakila? The red sweet potato. You can make this. So this is just a short video what the girls are having for after school snack. So we're ending it on a sweet note. Shirvoya. Leave a comment if you've eaten shirvoya before and let me know how you guys make it. Everyone makes it differently. This is how Shakila makes it. So thank you, Shakila.
Thank you, Bolo. Thank you.
So this video is going to come out tomorrow. That's Wednesday, just to show what we had for our evening snack after school. Also, there's a Sunday video that's going to come out. We're still looking for places. I'm not sure where we're going. We'll go on Friday. So if you have anything that you know of in North Goa, a good thali place or a nice Goan cart or something, do let us know and I'll go check it out for you. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, the Lanahan family. She's saying, बस इतना ही मुझे. आप जैगरी डालो, ये डालो. अच्छा बना ना?
Nice.
Thank you, Shakila.
Welcome.
Edible Play-Doh, edible Play-Doh, edible. Wonderful.